So today I wanted to do a quick overview of my Google trade last week. So to start off, the main play that I was looking to make was from this developing POC, from this developing monthly POC to the current POC. For me, this is the GG. I did get contracts on GGLL, which they are cheaper than the contracts for Google. But yeah, for me, once we went below the 6-month point of control, which is this like pink line, that was a warning sign for me. But then on Tuesday, we opened up and stayed above it. We did close below the weekly developing point of control, but for me, as long as we were above the 6-month, that was a good play for me. And I was looking to get above. I was looking for price to stay above this point of control, which is May's point of control. So we stayed above it, and then we had to move to the upside. For me, I was looking to, like I said earlier, just get the move from here to here, which is about 4%. Yeah, and that played out pretty well. I did get a chance to close my options contracts earlier on Friday before market close. So I'll probably sell some of them around market open today. Today is Monday, June 30th. And you see we did gap up here towards this section above the value area high for June. If I was looking for a move higher, the next stop would be like this 185 to 186 level based on the 6-month POC. But otherwise, I would expect to see maybe some distribution or some choppy price action in the near term. Another trade I wanted to go over was XYZ. So for XYZ, you can see here we're below the 6-month POC from last year, from June to December or July to December. But for me, I was looking at this kind of like head and shoulders pattern. If I disable, I think I can just hide them here. I'll just hide the indicators. But yeah, this for me was looking like a head and shoulders, something like this. And we still might get more choppy price movement down here. But that's what I was looking at earlier this week, or earlier last week. If we fib that out, you get some confluence around this section, this 85 section. And that's the section that I was looking for price to move to. It is a pretty significant gap higher. I'm not sure if we'll get it. Another target for me would be like this section here, this quarterly POC around 72. And as far as like for my entry last week, we did see price go like below the monthly point of control like significantly, but for the most part we were ranging in this section here. And let's see, this was Thursday. So on Thursday, I think I got some options contracts, before market close. Market close above the weekly point of control, so I was looking for a move up to this section. And again, I got busy on Friday around market close, but I would have preferred to sell some of my contracts here around this section for a short-term play. But long-term, I do still like it for a move higher up to like 72, like low 70s, and maybe keep a runner up to 86 if we do get it. But yeah, that was my quick overview for XYZ.